In my defense, actually, I don't have anything to come back with. Hey, whoa. Hey. So, I'm here with my amazing... You're right. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Starbucks Creations with Miles. Before anyone accuses me of the title being clickbait, I'll tell you where this came from, yeah? Story time, yeah. So basically, So basically, like a few weeks ago, I did a Q&A on Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's just Healthy Crazy Cool. Hey, someone asked me if I had a current girlfriend, and I made a joke of the situation, which, guys, I don't know why any of you ever take me seriously anymore, unless I'm like talking about nutrition or nut butters. Someone asked me if I had a current girlfriend, and I replied saying no, but that I was engaged to sin-free Sophia. And to this day, she's still getting congratulation messages in her inbox. The thing is though, this might not actually be clickbait, because if this video does get 10,000 likes, we will actually get married. Like, you have our word, we'll actually do it.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Because we have kind of been considering it for a while anyway.
Yeah, it's been in the pipeline,
yeah,
so...
kind of. So it's in your hands. This title can be clickbait or it can be an actual thing. So...
it's up to you.
Thumbs up button right now. Okay, so basically today's video is a review of Starbucks best drinks in 2018. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because actually there are a lot of vegan things on the menu that regular people don't know about, but Sophia does know about because she used to work in there for 2 years, so...
5 years.
We've got you covered. You can actually make pretty much everything vegan in there, and then also put your own spin on it. So, by the way, I look up to this girl so much, and that's why I want to marry her as well. Yeah. You guys know exactly how I feel about real athletes versus fitness models. Don't get me started. Sophia is a fully plant-powered national powerlifter.
Gains.
Yeah. If you want this kind of booty, she shows you how to grow it on her channel. So I'll leave the link to her channel down below. So before we get into the taste test, actually, do you know what? Do you want to tell them, the people, a little bit about your amazing achievements so far?
Sure. So I am a
exotic dancer,
national level powerlifter, and currently hold 3 Greater London records for bench press and deadlift. Okay, so I'm a
avid nudist,
personal trainer and
stripper,
strength coach. I'm also an artist as well.
Fully plant powered, literally one of the strongest women in Great Britain, literally. Almost getting there. All right, let the taste test begin. Alright, let's let the taste test begin. So, I was going to say that we're going to rate these drinks on a scale of 1 to 10. But I thought, do you know what, yeah? We could rate them, like, on a YouTuber scale.
I'm feeling that.
Vegan YouTuber equivalents.
Oh.
For example, if this was a 10 out of 10, I could be like, this is a hot for food. Because, like, hot for food is a clear, like, 10 out of 10, you know what I mean? But, for example, if this one's like really, really crap, like really, really bad, like it'd be like it's a...
or
Sophia's gonna do all the explaining, because I actually don't know what we ordered, as she's like the Starbucks expert, so...
So we've got a decaf, because obviously, Peppermint Soya Mocha Frappuccino. God, I've never had the peppermint one before, so it's really interesting. Oh my god, that is actually so nice.
Is it?
It's like, you know those mint chocolate thins, like After 8.
Here goes nothing. Oh my god.
It's like you're kind of eating chewing gum whilst eating chocolate.
I love mint chocolate. I love mint chocolate.
It's like refreshing at the same time, but it's chocolate. You know what I mean? Nice.
Alright, I don't know what I'd rate that. I'd rate that quite high. Do you know what? Off to a good start, I'd rate that quite high. That's like I'm trying to think of a YouTuber equivalent that's like right up there. I'd give that Maddie Limburner, because she's like right up there, and this drink is like right up there.
Yeah, I'd say 8 or 9 out of 10.
Good.
Now onto the cinnamon flat white. So I actually watched her make this, and she made it wrong because the coffee to foam ratio and stuff just wasn't on there. But we're going to try it anyways. So here we go. The little what the fuck is that? That isn't cinnamon syrup. It tastes like they've just put cinnamon, like cinnamon powder in, and not cinnamon syrup.
No.
Do you like it?
That's bad. YouTuber equivalent. That's like a full-on.
Yeah.
So this is a new item on the menu. It's new, right?
Yeah.
So cinnamon flat white. Obviously, it can be veganized with the soy or almond milk, but it tastes like crap. So don't get it.
This is the cookie dough Frappuccino. It's not on the menu, but it's like, I call it Sophia's secret menu. So I actually have this on my blog. Okay, so this is a vanilla soya cream based Frappuccino with Frappuccino chips in it. So it's all vegan, and the cream base is also vegan, even though it says cream base.
See, that's one thing I didn't know before today. Like, I go to Starbucks a lot to edit because I just can't edit at home. But I never knew that the cream-based drinks, the cream base itself is actually vegan.
So let's give it a go.
All right, cookie dough Frappuccino.
Let's go. Yeah, I dig that.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
Would you give it out of 10?
An 8.
That is very, very sweet. That's very,
They put
very sweet.
a lot of vanilla in it.
But like, I could probably have... I could probably deal with like 3 or 4 sips of this and then I'm just done.
Probably like 7 or an 8. If it was to have less vanilla syrup, it would be better. But with the amount that she's put in, it literally is way too overpowering.
Yeah. All right, drink number 4. This is, what is it?
So this is like, it's called the Vampire Frappuccino. It's for Halloween, but you can also make it throughout the year because they always have the same ingredients. So it's a chocolate cream Frappuccino with strawberry syrup. So let's give it a go. I have a feeling it's gonna be really sweet. Wow, that's very chocolatey.
Really?
It tastes like they've just melted a load of advent calendar chocolate and put it into a drink.
All right, let me go for it. I like that. It's like drinking chocolate. Yeah, I like that. It's very dense, it's very sweet. I like it though. I'd give that a good 7 out of 10.
I'd probably go 6.
Can we meet halfway and go 6.5?
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
Who are we feeling with that?
Oh, who's a 6.5?
Oh, she's lower than that though.
She is a bit annoying. On to the hot drinks, which are now cold because we had to drive back from Starbucks. So...
And half it spilt on my leg.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have got... So you can get the Toffee Nut Latte with soya, coconut or almond milk without the cream, but you can have the toffee nut sprinkles.
Yeah, they've got these like little crispy like toffee nut sprinkles.
Which you already ate. God, I can smell it already. Cheers.
Good? Oh, she's thinking, she's thinking.
I think it's like a 5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I say yeah, I haven't even tried it.
Try it.
I like it. That's really, really good. Let me just put it out there. None of all the... No, I actually really, really like this. I would get this again.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me try again.
I personally give that, the soy toffee nut latte, 10 out of 10. That's a 10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll give it a 5.
I give that 10 out of 10. YouTuber equivalent, as it's like bomb, John Venus. On to the...
So with the gingerbread latte, it comes with waffle bits on top and they are vegan because they're literally just made out of corn syrup and wheat. So not good for gluten-free, but...
Well, not good for anyone, but... anyways, I'm gonna go first. That's good. It's not as good as the toffee nut latte though.
See, I prefer that to the toffee nut latte.
The toffee one is a lot sweeter, isn't it?
I really like that one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, which one did I like?
You like that one?
Alright, go for it.
Okay.
No, for me, that's overrated. I feel like it has potential. I feel like it's trying to be something that it's not. I feel like... do you know what? Do you know what, yeah? So the toffee nut one, I think is like original. It's really good. It's really sweet. I rate it like right up there. This one is kind of like... It's like a knockoff version of the toffee nut, in my opinion. In my opinion. It's trying to be something that it's not.
Like that guy who copies you. What's his name?
Oh.
Not good.
Not
man.
good.
You need to be
Not
original.
good.
Okay, so... We have got... This is a bit of a weird one and it actually looks like... Look how fucking gross. They put way too much Matcha in that, way too much. I haven't told them what it is yet.
Oh,
okay, soya, matcha, frappuccino with mocha drizzle.
But they put way too much matcha in there. That's like...
It should not be that green.
It should not be that green.
It looks fucking rank.
All of the sugar is like stimulating my appetite a bit. Do you know what I mean?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, mate.
Is it that bad?
They just put way too much matcha in it.
Oh no.
In the minus section.
No, literally that tastes like someone went outside, picked all the weeds, mowed the lawn, dug up some mud, put it all in a blender, and then that's it. That's what it tastes like. That's really, really bad. Okay, I actually know what this one is, so I feel like I can introduce it. So, if you didn't already know, I'm a huge lover of Sophia. If you didn't already know, I'm a huge lover of cinnamon. Like, I just put, you too, right?
Oh yeah, I love
cinnamon on absolutely everything. Sweet and savoury and coffee too. So, we got the cinnamon Dolce Latte. Cheers. There's something off about that cinnamon syrup because it happened with the flat white as well.
Fucking gross, yeah.
The crap white.
It's better than the flat white.
Anything's better than the flat white.
But I feel like the actual coffee is burnt as well. Like the actual coffee is not good. Pro tip, always ask for the origin espresso. It's better than the core espresso that they use.
For me, the Toffee Nut Latte was a clear winner. Absolutely love it.
Gingerbread.
Really? You're really gonna do that to me? The first one was good. The first one was good.
Oh, that's well nicer actually. The chocolate one.
The peppermint chocolate one is the best.
No. That is nice.
No, that chocolate one. Let's rate them in order of 1 to 10. Do you know what? I feel like this one is so good, I want to re-rate it. It's like an 11 out of 10.
Look at this one.
That's just way too sweet.
I feel like I'm getting a sugar rush to the head already.
I mean, the gingerbread for me is just hyped up so much, and it's just a bit of a disappointment. I feel like it's really like we'll just put the good ones here. So, ones that you should try, because they're so good. Chocolate cream frappuccino with soy milk. Gingerbread latte, according to her, not to me. No. Toffee nut latte, absolute, gotta try this.
Then the peppermint one is going in there at the top.
Peppermint mocha, this is really nice hot and cold. Just get it, it's really, really good. The green one,
Shit.
What was that?
Really
what the f was that?
Though. They f***ed it up.
They have.
Normally it's actually alright, like I love matcha and that's normally quite good, but they f***ed that up.
Yeah, that was bad. And also guys, I know we're gonna get shit about the plastic in this video, but this is just a one-off, and if you do go in there, just take your own glass container or, you know. Anyways guys, once again, this video was in the name of education. We just went and spent, well, I just went and spent 30 quid on Starbucks drinks so that you don't have to. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to fly over to Sophia's channel, link down below, show her some love, and she will teach you how to get in the best shape of your life. Trust me.
I don't know.
We can't finish the sweet ones, or we'll be on a sugar high for the rest of my life. Well, every time I do an outro, I put my hood up, but my hood's already up, so I feel like I'm already out. Sending you all so much love. In the next video, I will be back in the kitchen making healthy recipes and stuff. And as always, in the words of Left Eye,
satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to ya with diamond-like precision. Insatiable is what I envision. Can't detect acquisition from